Here is a cell, the basic unit of all living tissue. In most human cells, there is a structure called the nucleus. The nucleus contains the genome. In humans, the genome is split between 23 pairs of chromosomes. Each chromosome contains a long strand of DNA, tightly packaged around proteins called histones. Within the DNA are sections called genes. These genes contain the instructions for making proteins.
Hello, my name is Gert Steinbury and I will be your guide for today. In this episode we shall be following Dr. Willett on his quest to hunt down the gay gene. Before we try and hunt down the gay gene, we must first understand the science behind it.
The volumes of 4 cell groups in the anterior hypothalamus of the brain were measured in post-mortem tissue from 3 subject groups: women, men who were presumed to be heterosexual, and homosexual men. No differences were found between the groups in the volumes of INAH1, 2, or 4, as has been reported previously. INAH3 was more than twice as large in the heterosexual men as in the women. It was also, however, more than twice as large in the heterosexual men as in the homosexual men. This finding indicates that INAH is dimorphic with sexual orientation, at least in men, and suggests that sexual orientation has a biological substrate. Unsurprisingly, not much evidence has been found regarding the issue of female sexuality. I wonder why this might be.
Back to our scene. It is 10 on this fine Sunday morning as we find Dr. Willett on the prowl, armed with his rifle and specially designed gaydar. These are both wonders of modern technology. The gay gene is highly elusive and only comes out on the last Sunday of every month. Today is the 25th of March and hunting conditions are optimal. It is not raining, which in this country is a feat, providing the gay gene is indeed to be found in its natural habitat. If we are lucky, we might see it burrowing out through the trees from deep underground or hiding high up, not unlike a bird. In fact, the gay gene is so elusive we have no idea where it might actually be. Highly sensitive senses have suggested its whereabouts, but it has never yet been observed with a human eye. What does Dr. Willett intend to do once he has hunted down the gay gene? Let's ask him.
Once I, Dr. Willett, eliminate the gay gene, I will stuff it and hang it over one of my many, many mantelpieces.
Dr. Willett has refused to tell us which mantelpiece and how many exactly he possesses. Clearly the rich are a mysterious bunch. Our hero strides proudly through the forest, consulting his gaydar frequently. The gaydar is, unfortunately, rather faulty. No, Dr. Willett, pounding it won't achieve anything. Neither will twisting the little knob. After a successful attempt to get things straight, Dr. Willett resumes his quest. Where could the gay gene be hiding? Oh, it seems to be getting closer and closer. It has been spotted in the distance by Dr. Willett's highly expert eye.
to a family hunt of millions of wild geese on their annual excursion north and south each year. Who wouldn't?
Roosters may flush and fall to the gun at virtually any position.
Who there?
As we can see, Dr. Willett has clearly achieved his mission for today and he parades with pride through the forest. Dr. Willett is very proud. The population of the rare gay gene has now decreased. But indeed, what does it matter when there is an empty space over one of Dr. Willett's mantelpieces?
For Queen and Country.
Thank you for joining us today. Join us again next week for some fun where we meet a variety of seventh sons of seventh sons. Has the lack of testosterone made them gay?